Hello friends, welcome back to the all new season of dkdynamics. So friends, we have come back with some more new and fantastic projects. So friends, as you all know that the old age peoples and impaired as well as the handicapped peoples have limited mobility due to their impaired muscles or due to the accidental damages. So friends, these old age peoples as well as the weak and paralyzed people feel very helpless as well as handicapped. So friends, I have met many old age peoples and persons who have limited mobility, and I find that they are very lonely and helpless, and sometimes they are also depressed from their life. So friends, I was searching for many walking devices in the market, and I find that there are many walking devices in the market available in various designs. But friend, I have talked to these old age peoples and find that there are some technical faults in these walking devices. So friends, I am working hard to find a better device and improvised design of the walking machine or walker which have the better adjustability of the legs and which is very convenient and easy to make. So friends, as we all know that the size of the stairs are different at different places and at different homes. So we require the fine adjustment of the legs as well as the lightweight and proper walker for these old age peoples to move on the stairs. So friends, we are mainly focusing on the design as well as on the fine adjustment of the legs and on the body of the walker. So friends, for lightweight of the body, here we are using the hollow steel pipes, and instead of the holes in the walker, we are using the teeth catchers for the fine adjustment of the legs, and we are using here the rubber pads for ultra grip at slippery floors in the malls or at various places. So friends, this smart walker adjusts according to the size of the stairs. So friends, let me demonstrate you that how this smart walker adjusts. So friends, for instance, if we are going up, we can adjust the legs like this. And friends, if we are going down, so friends, we can adjust the legs like this on the stairs. So friends, our main motive to make this walker is to focus on the stability of the walker, and for that we are using the rubber pads. And Our motive was to focus on the low maintenance of the walker so that it can be available to all the peoples and who cannot walk due to their impaired muscles, so that they could not feel bad because of their injuries or damages to their body parts. So friends, in this way we are using the technology to help the needy people. So friends, we can easily make this walker by using some of the very easily locally available components like the hollow steel pipes and driller machines and welding machines, and we can gift this walker to our grandfather, grandmother, as well as to the handicapped and the needy peoples, so that their life could change and they could live happily and they can move on in their life. So friends, if you want to make this, if you want more details regarding this smart walker, log on to www.dkdynamics.com, and if you have any creative ideas or any innovative ideas, you can share that with me and I will help you in implementing those ideas. And friends, please like, share and subscribe our video, and please hit the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.